Hi guys, it's me again. What? Look at all these videos. Oh my goodness gracious. I had my video stuff set up for my last video and I'm so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I got more happy mail. So I had to do another video to show you guys because I'm so excited. So I don't know if y'all have heard of her. Her link will be in the description below. Her name is DearJulieJulie. I have been watching her for years now. I am just like totally and utterly obsessed. She is awesome. She's how I got started in junk journaling. Like, she's just freaking fantastic. She has a bunch of digital kits and I have a bunch of them. And now I actually got a real life kit and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm just so excited. I have an exciting life. According to me. So, if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. If you have not already, like and subscribe, please. And you can turn on the little bell notifications to let you know when I upload a video. Trust me, I don't do a lot because I'm not good at this video thing, but I'm trying. Also, check out my Instagram and stuff, and all that stuff will be down below, hopefully. We'll see if I can figure out how. Wish me luck. Okay, on to the Happy Meal. So I opened it just so it'd be easier, but I have not seen it. I did see on her description, on her Etsy website, but I'm so excited. I got a kit. I got one of her actual kits. Okay, so there's nothing else in there. That's cool. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So I got a 4th of July kit. Or a Patriotic kit. I don't remember what she called it. I can look. Hold on. Hold that. Okie dokie smoky. Finally got my computer to load. It is called the Patriotic Journal Kit. The last time I checked, which was a few days ago, she still had a couple sets. So if you're really interested, I'll link it below. Really gotta figure out how to do that. Okay. So I'm so excited. Dude, I'm like, guys, I'm seriously like fangirling right now. Like, oh my gosh, she touched everything. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's these super cute stickers. Oh my goodness, it's like an earthquake in here. I don't know what's going on outside. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Wow. Yep, stuff like that happens. I'm not gonna keep doing this in every single video, but I'll do it one last time for you guys. I live in my RV. So sometimes my whole house shakes if the kids are jumping and having fun, and it gets really noisy in here. So, yeah. Okay. Look how cute these stickers are. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I used to have all the different stickers like these. Love it. Okay. I don't know what to open. I guess I'll do the stuff that's already open. So I get a napkin. So exciting. She has so many videos on so many things to do with a napkin. So cool. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to relearn how to do everything. I'm so excited. So excited. Look how pretty this fabric is. Oh, I love it. So pretty. Oh man. Okay, what's this? What is it? I don't know. So here's a little charm. Quilt something. That's cute. That's really cute. I hope you guys can see that. I'm sorry, it's part of the clip holding my phone, so I couldn't really see. So let's see. There you go. That's really cute. Now let's zoom back out. Zoom. Okay. Look at this pretty fabric. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Can you see it? Are you guys looking? Look at that pretty green. Ooh, that's pretty. I love these florals. Ooh. It's a smaller strip of that one. That's pretty. That red florals. I'm whispering. I'm sorry I'm whispering. I'm so excited. Pretty blue. Oh my gosh, this one's just fabulous. Oh, they're the same flowers. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And look at this. Oh, it's like a little quilty kit. I'm not good at this. I can't quilt because I don't like to measure. But how pretty is that? Oh, that's really cool. That's totally going in. Oh my gosh. So excited. I love it. I love it so much. I love it all. Okay, next one. I had to take a drink. Sorry, I'm parched. Because I'm just so excited. I just can't hide it. My hands are a little wet. Okay. Am I too zoomed in? Yeah. I gotta see around. I love how she has everything so packaged nicely. Like, oh, love these adhesive pockets. Those are from Target from like forever ago. Look at these pretty seals. Oh man, oh, I'm dropping it. Oh boy, stop it. Like silver foil. So shiny. And the cute little, let's look at these little doodads that are in here. Cute little toothpick flags. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. Like, what is this, like table scatter maybe? So pretty. It's nice because it's double-sided, so that's really cool. Look at these canceled stamps. Oh my gosh, I have some of her stamps. She's really awesome, guys. Oh my gosh, she's the best. Like, look how pretty that is from like a magazine. She cut it out herself. Oh my gosh. Yep. I am totally fangirling. And this is really embarrassing, but I don't care. Y'all can't see me. So, okay, that is awesome. I love all the different little things. And this is really cool. A little fabric swatch from Pottery Barn. Oh, I can't wait to open that. Look at these. Oh, look at this. Look at this napkin. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Ooh, it's like waxy paper almost. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Look at how pretty the note paper is. And an envelope. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's a do it now, do it later page. Yay! Seriously? Am I the only one that's like this weird? Oh my gosh, it's a time card. That is so cool. That is awesome. Most kids nowadays don't know what those are. And yes, I did call, I am not putting myself in there because I know what those are. And I had to use one before and I sucked at it because I always forgot. This is really cool, like red origami paper. Is this the noisy paper? I think this is the noisy paper. I love it. Let's see. A things to do. And some, ooh, that's pretty. Like stars, and then some note paper, shine like the stars. Oh, that's cute. She already folded it. Oh my gosh, she folded it. She did it. It's like she helped me make it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to pause for a second. Okay, I had to take a breath because I was getting a little too excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's really cool. She already made it for me. It's a page with a pocket because she likes pockets and she cannot lie. Love that. Really cute printer page. Ready to go. Here's a page from a calendar. In the truest sense, freedom cannot be bestowed. It must be achieved. Oh man, that's beautiful. I love that. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, we got a couple of these. She did it again because she likes pockets and she cannot lie. Oh my gosh. Okay. Reel it in. Reel it in. Okay. I'm okay. Really nice, thicker piece of paper. Ooh, and some tissue paper. Very cool. Wow, that's a lot too. Awesome. And like, look, it's like a little certificate holder. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay, I gotta move this stuff. Oh, this is in there too. Okay, we gotta look through this. Oh my gosh. Okay, taking it down a notch. I am so excited, but I'm going to compose myself. Ooh, really cool playing card eagles. Ooh, which, by the way, she has a listing for a bunch of her playing cards. I think it's like 70 of them or something. I don't know, but I really want to get it, and that's really cool. And like playing cards, think like there's the USA. Let's see, war paint. That's really cool. Oh, look, there's stuff on the other side too. How fun. Very cool playing cards. Stickers. Little pieces. Oh, these are perfect for making tags. Oh, the pretty paper. Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't showing you guys. My bad. I was showing me. This is for me, not you. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, it is. But, you know, the whole point of me doing the video is to show you guys, right? Wounded Warrior paper. Oh, these are cute. The paint swatches. That's nice. A little playing card. A times table card. A tag. Things to do. A receipt. And a couple guest checks. Oh, with look, little sticky flags. I got 2 guest checks. Very cool. So excited. Okay, one last bag. Hold on. Okay. These are all like the fun embellishments and stuff to make the tags, I think, and other stuff. So you get a little elastic hairband, some ribbon. Ooh, look at the sparkly sequins. Ooh, that's really pretty. And then you get some of the fluff. I can't remember what she used to call this stuff. I'm gonna have to go back and watch videos. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna rewatch the videos where she like made stuff from this kind of stuff, because I know she did. Was it last year or the year before? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up because I'm so excited. Look, washi tape, so cool. And look at the pretty USA, and then the pretty bead. That's so cool. And then look, it's the adhesive. Oh my gosh. Okay, nope, I'm not going crazy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ah! Okay, so that is the awesome kit I got from DearJulieJulie. It is her Patriotic journal kit. I'll link it below if it's still available, but if it's not, I'm still gonna put, ooh, that's really cool to use too. I'm gonna use that. I am going to still link her Etsy site, no matter what, and a link to her YouTube videos, because really, honestly, if y'all haven't checked her out, she's like awesome. Queen bee for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. You know, I'm very small. I rarely do videos. I'm not good at them. I'm trying. I'm learning. But yeah, so thanks everyone for sticking around and checking out what I got, and let's see what I can make with it in the future. I'm so excited. Okay, have a good day. Bye. Hi guys. Okay, so I had to do it again. I suck at this. I always forget to add stuff, and so maybe I should just add words in the thing, but whatever. I'm just gonna add this little video. Yes, it's Snapchat again. Yes, I am wearing the same clothes, same messy, crazy hair as my last video, because I just did it one after the other. And I'm so sorry, my air conditioning's on, y'all. It is hot in here, 80 degrees in here, because I had to turn the air conditioning off to do the videos because it's really loud, but I'm schwitzing. So, to the point, I forgot to mention, so I got her Patriotic kit. However, I also have her digital kit, and so I will be using that as well to make stuff, and so I'm so excited. So like I said, she does a lot of digitals, and she does a lot of like kits that you can buy. So, okay, I had to say that. So